Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome you all again in Maths 2 lecture. Today we are going to start lesson number 4, construction of triangles. Today we will discuss practice set 4.1 of lesson number 4. Practice set 4.1 based on the construction in which length of base, one adjacent angle and sum of two sides are given. First construction of this lesson. In this type of construction, length of base to one adjacent angle and sum of two sides are given to us. See here in the example, you have to construct triangle ABC in which BC is 6.3 and one angle, that is angle B, is 75 degree, and sum of two sides, that means AB plus AC, is given to us 9 centimeter, and we have to construct the triangle ABC. Okay, so first of all, before starting the construction, trying to draw the rough figure. Rough figure is compulsory. Okay, so first of all, draw the rough figure. Now, step of construction of this triangle. The first step, draw BC, that means the base BC of length 6.3 as given to you. This is the first step. First step, draw base. And second step is draw ray BP such that angle BP C is 75 degree. That means by taking angle B 75 degree, draw a ray of that angle, that means draw ray BP. Okay, 75 degree. Second step. Third step, take point D on the ray BP. That means you can take any point, but here we take point D on the ray BP such that distance of point D from B is 9 centimeter, as the sum of two sides are given to you 9 centimeter. So by taking that measurement, that means sum of two sides, cut this ray at 9 centimeter and take the point D at 9 centimeter. Okay, third step. Now the next fourth step is draw segment DC, that means join point D with C. Draw DC. Now the next step, construct the perpendicular bisector of segment DC by taking compass, bisect the triangle, bisect the side DC. You can say that draw the perpendicular bisector of side DC by using the compass. First, keep the tip of the compass on point C and draw two arcs above and below. Then keep the tip of compass on the point D and cut that arc. Then you get the perpendicular bisector of point DC. Okay. Next, sixth step is name the point of intersection of BP and perpendicular bisector of CD as A. Where the perpendicular bisector intersect the BD, take the point A. Okay. So take that point, their point A. Now draw segment AC. Now join point A from C. Now you get your triangle ABC. Okay. So in short, first of all, the first step is draw BC. Second step, take angle by using the protractor, the angle measure given to you. Take the point of that angle. Then the third step, draw the ray of that angle. Then the sum of two sides are given to you. Measure that sum of two sides and cut the ray of angle that you draw. And then join the point you get on the sum of side, that means on the angle ray with base. Now bisect the opposite side of angle ray. Now the perpendicular bisector intersect the angle ray at one point. Take the point that is your required angle and complete your required angle. This is the basic steps to construct the triangle when length of base, one angle and sum of two sides are given to you. Let's start practice set 4.1. In practice 4 set 4.1, total 4 questions are there. I am explaining you 2 questions and remaining 2 questions are homework for you. Okay. So question number 1 of practice set 4.1. Construct triangle PQR in which QR 4.2 centimeter, angle Q is 40 degree and sum of two sides, that means PQ plus PR is 8.5 centimeter. As I told you, first of all, draw the rough figure. Draw triangle PQR. So see here the rough figure of triangle PQR. This is your triangle PQR. Okay, here QR is 4.2 centimeter, and PQ plus PR, that means in PQ we have to add PR. So if we add in PQ PR, then your length of the side get increased. That means here you had to take the sum of two sides. So sum of two sides, that means in PQ we have to add PR. Okay, so you can write here PR, that means R dash. Okay, this is the sum of two sides, that means 8.5 centimeter PQ plus PR. Now join this point with R. This is your rough figure of triangle PQR, that means a rough construction. Okay, now let's start the figure. As I told you, first step is draw base. So here we have to draw the first step, base QR of length 4.2 by using scale. So take scale and draw base QR of 4.2 centimeter. Okay, this is your first step. Now the second step is draw the ray of angle. Here the angle Q is 40 degree. So use the compass and take angle, mark as angle 40 degree. Okay, place your compass on point Q and mark angle as 40 degree. Okay, now draw the ray of this angle 40 degree. Okay, now draw this ray of angle 40 degree. Okay, now measure the 8.5 length on this compass and cut this ray on 8.5. Take the length of 8.5 on the compass and cut this angle ray at 8.5. Here the sum of two sides are 8.5 centimeter. Okay, this is your point. You can take P dash, you can take R dash, whatever you point you want you can take. Okay, now join this point with R. Okay, now take the compass and measure more than half distance on P dash and R and draw the perpendicular bisector of P dash and R. So first of all draw the arc above and below of this side, and then keep the compass on another point and cut that up. So this is your perpendicular bisector of segment, or you can say the side P dash and R. Okay, now see, this perpendicular bisector intersect this side on which you take the sum of two sides at one point. So that is your point P. Now here you complete your required triangle PQR. So your required triangle PQR. Got it? Right here measure of angle 40 degree. Okay. Here PR is equal to P and P dash. Okay. So this is the construction of question number 1. First of all draw base, and second of take the measure of angle by using the protractor. Then draw the ray of angle and take the sum of side on the compass and cut that ray at the sum of side, and then join the point with the opposite side of the base. Draw the perpendicular bisector of that side, and perpendicular bisector intersect the side at one point. That is your required triangle. Complete the required triangle. Now move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is construct triangle XYZ. Here we have to construct triangle XYZ in which YZ is 6 centimeter and sum of two sides, that means XY plus XZ 9 centimeter, and angle XYZ is 50 degree. Okay, so first of all draw rough figure. Draw the rough figure of triangle XYZ. Here YZ is 6 centimeter and angle Y is 50 degree. Okay. Now we have to add XY and XZ. If you add then XY and XZ, then the length of XY get increased. Okay. In XY add XZ. Okay. Take one point. You take here point Z dash. Now join Z dash with Z. This is the rough figure of this question. Okay. Now start fair construction. First of all, draw base YZ 6 centimeter. Draw base YZ of 6 centimeter. By using scale, draw base YZ of 6 centimeter. Then place the compass on point Y and mark an angle 50 degree. Okay. Mark angle 50 degree. Now draw the ray of this angle 50 degree. Draw the ray of this angle 50 degree. Now measure the length 9 centimeter, that means XY plus XZ 9 centimeter on compass and cut this angle ray on 9 centimeter. Cut this angle ray on 9 centimeter. You get the point. Name the point as Z dash. Name the point as Z dash. Now join this point with Y. Okay. Now the next step is draw perpendicular bisector of XZ. Sorry, this point is not Y, this point is X. Okay. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of XZ dash. Same method. First of all, take more than half distance on a compass. Place the tip of the compass on first point. Draw two arcs above and below. Then place the tip of the compass at another point and cut that arc. Then you get the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector intersect side Y and Z dash at one point, that is your required point Z, and complete your required triangle XYZ. So here you complete your required triangle XYZ. Okay. I hope you understood the construction or steps of construction and the method of construction of this type of construction, in which length of base, one angle and sum of two sides are given. Let's move to the practice set 4.2. 4.2. Practice set 4.2 based on the construction in which length of base, one adjacent angle and the difference between the remaining two sides are given to you. Here the difference is that in practice set 4.1 sum of two sides are given, and in practice set 4.2 difference of two sides are given to you. Practice set 4.2 based on the question in which length of base, one angle and difference between the two sides are given to you. By observing the information given to you, you have to construct the given triangle. Suppose here one example here. Construct triangle ABC. You have to construct triangle ABC in which base BC is 7.5 cm and angle ABC is 40 degree and difference of two sides, that means AB minus AC is 3 cm. So with the help of this information you have to construct triangle ABC. So steps of constructions are, first step is same, draw base BC of length 7.5 centimeter as given. Now the second step is draw ray BL such that by taking angle LBC 40 degree, that means by using the protector, first of all take the point of angle B is 40 degree, then draw the ray of angle B 40 degree. Next step is take point D on the ray such that BD is 3 centimeter. Here the difference of two sides, that means the subtraction of two sides is 3 centimeter. So now measure the length of 3 centimeter on a compass and cut this angle ray on 3 centimeter, mark as point D. Next step, that means fourth, construct the perpendicular bisector of CD. Now join CD and draw perpendicular bisector of CD. First keep the tip of compass on point C and draw the two arc above and below. Then keep the tip of compass on point D and cut the previous arc. Then you get the perpendicular bisector of point CD. Next step, that means fifth one, name the point of intersection of ray BL and the perpendicular bisector of CD as A. That means you have to extend this perpendicular bisector and raise angle ray up to the point where they intersect each other. Take that point A. Next step is number 6, draw segment AC. Then you have to join the point AC and draw segment AC. Then this is your required triangle ABC. Practice set 4.2, question number 1. Construct triangle XYZ such that XY is 7.4 centimeter and angle XYZ is 45 degree and difference of two sides, that means XY minus YZ is 2.7 centimeter. So first of all draw the rough figure of triangle XYZ. Okay, as angle Y is given here, so take Y at the base. So XY, first of all your base 7.4 centimeter and angle Y is 45 degree and difference of two sides, that means XY minus XZ is 2.7 centimeter. Here some mistake in question, in place of XY write YZ. Here YZ is 7.4 centimeter. Make the correction in question, correct the question. In place of XY write YZ. YZ 7.4 centimeter. So your required triangle XYZ is 4 centimeter. YZ is a base. Okay, correct the question. Start your fair construction. First of all draw base YZ as 7.5 centimeter with the help of scale. Now take angle Y 45 degree by using protector. Draw the ray of that angle 45 degree. Now the difference between the side XY minus XZ is 2.7 centimeter. So it's the difference between, that means the subtraction, cut the angle ray that you have drawn at 2.7 centimeter and take point as Z dash. Any point you can take. Measure the difference given on the compass and cut the ray of angle at 2.7 centimeter. Now join Z dash with Z. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of this side with the help of compass. Okay, first of all keep the tip on point Z. Draw two arcs above and below. Now keep the tip of the compass on another point that cut the previous arc. Now here this is the perpendicular bisector of Z dash and Z. Okay, now extend this perpendicular bisector and the ray of angle. Now the point of intersection you get, join that point of intersection with Z. This is your required triangle XYZ. Here you get your required triangle XYZ. Okay. See here, rough figure and fair figure both are there. So rough figure is compulsory for the construction. Basic steps are same. First of all, draw the base, then draw the angle, take the point of angle, then draw the ray of angle, and the difference of two sides are given. Mark that difference on the angle ray, then join with the point and then draw the perpendicular bisector. Point of intersection of angle ray and perpendicular bisector is your required point. Now join the required point with Z. Now you get your required triangle. Now question number 2 of exercise or practice set 4.2. Construct triangle PQR such that QR is 6.5 centimeter and angle PQR is 40 degree and difference of two sides, that means PQ minus PR is 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Again here base, length of base is given, one angle and the difference between the two sides are given, and we have to construct the triangle. So first of all, draw a rough figure of this triangle PQR. Triangle PQR in which QR is 6.5 centimeter. Here QR base is 6.5 centimeter and angle PQR is 40 degree, and the difference between PQ minus PR, subtraction, that means we have to subtract PR from PQ. So here you get P dash. Now join P dash with R. Okay, this is, write the measure 2.5. Okay, this is a rough figure. Now start pair construction. First of all, draw base QR of 6.5 centimeter with the help of scale. Okay, now take protractor, keep at point Q and mark as angle 40 degree. Now draw the ray of angle 40 degree. Now the difference between the two sides, that means PQ minus PR is given to you 2.5. Now cut this angle ray 2.5 degree with the help of compass. Measure the length 2.5 and cut this angle ray at 2.5 centimeter. Here this is your point P dash. Now join P dash with R. Next step is draw perpendicular bisector of P dash and R. Take more than half distance on a compass and draw perpendicular bisector of P dash and R. Extend this perpendicular bisector at it intersect the angle ray. Perpendicular bisector intersect angle ray at one point. This is your point P. Now draw this point, join this point with R. So this is your required triangle PQR. Okay, I hope you understood the construction of this type of triangle. So first of all, draw base of a given length, then take the angle and then the subtraction of two sides given to you. Cut this angle ray at that length of subtraction that is given to you. Then draw the bisector and join, complete your required triangle. So today we complete practice set 4.1 and 4.2. We discussed two questions of each practice set. Remaining 2 questions are homework for you. Practice set 4.3 inshallah we will discuss in next lecture. Solve both the practice set 4.1, 4.2. If any doubt, any queries, you can ask me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallahu khair.